Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of my Holiday Recipes 2020. Hope you like my new hairstyle. I'm very festive, and as I mentioned before, for us here at home, October is Halloween month, so I like to wear different things for different videos. And today I have this cute, colorful clown wig. Anyway, today guys, it's all about the slow cooker. Although I'm not going to use the slow cooker, sounds crazy, I know, but you have to watch this. You don't want to miss this. This episode starts right now. Hey guys, I'm back, and as I mentioned, my slow cooker is put away. Why? Because I started working this morning at 6 a.m. So it's kind of hard to get up at 3 and get everything ready in the slow cooker and put it up. This is so much, not so much easier. It's just as easy the way I'm making it. So what I'm making today is some I chose boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you'd like, that's fine. I have it boiling right now for about 15 minutes in 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar, so that way it'll be nice and moist, and I can fork it really easy to shred it. We are also going to use a can of Campbell's cream of chicken and a can of cream of mushroom. We're going to add 1/3 cup of sour cream to this mix, 3 tablespoons of fresh minced garlic, some Parmigiano cheese. I'm going to use penne pasta. Now, why do I use penne pasta? Because of all the pastas that I use, a lot of chefs will agree with me. Penne pasta is great at absorbing sauces. Yum, yum. And this is going to be a yummy, yummy sauce. And of course, a teaspoon of garlic powder to enhance my fresh garlic. A teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of black pepper, guys. And I have some fresh chopped flat leaf parsley to garnish. Don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Our chicken is done. I'm letting it cool for a little bit. We took our chicken out of the boiling water. I added 2 more cups of water to our boiling water, and we never forget to salt your pasta, guys. Never forget. But I'm going to put, in this case, like a teaspoon. We don't really need that much salt on our pasta. Remember, our soups have salt in them already, so that's why I omitted salt altogether. So what I did was I added 2 more cups of water, waiting for it to come to boil. We'll put our pasta in there with the chicken water from where the chicken boiled. Listen, us chefs love to build flavors. Why throw that delicious water away with all that chicken flavor when you can boil your pasta in it and have even more chicken flavor for your dish, which is chicken based, right? So anyway, I have about half a tablespoon of VO juice. That's my, all right, it's hot. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add our garlic, but we're going to stir it really fast because we don't want to burn our garlic, guys. Now I added the garlic, and we're going to stir our garlic. We are going to put our garlic powder, teaspoon of garlic powder. We have to hurry and move it around a lot because you don't want your garlic to burn. Take it off the stove if you need to while you are adding your spices. A teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of onion powder. This is going to go really quick. We're going to add our soup mixes in there with our sour cream, and we're going to lower the heat. I kind of just wanted to, oh, it smells so good already. I kind of just wanted to add a little bit of flavor to the pan, so make sure you're constantly moving it. You don't want to burn your garlic. All right, now we're going to lower our heat to 1 before medium, guys, and we're going to start adding our soups in. Oh, God. This is what you would do in your crock pot. You don't need to pre-cook your garlic. I like to, but you can just drop it in there with your 2 cans of soup and your garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, black pepper, and your chicken. We can add that. And then we can add the sour cream. When we come home and make our pasta, we'll just add the sour cream in there, which I'm going to add it right now because I'm making it right now. I don't want the sour cream to sit there for too many hours. Not because anything bad would happen, but I like to add it fresh at the end on all my recipes. That's just how I do it. Alright guys, so this is here. Alright. So now I'm going to take a spoon. Now guys, grab your measuring cups and we're going to do 1/3 cup of sour cream. Whenever I open a sour cream brand new, I always like to mix it. I don't know if you guys do the same, but I always do. I don't know. You don't need to, but I always do. So about 1/3 cup. This is going to make our sauce much creamier, guys. It's going to make our sauce very creamy. So we are going to stir the sour cream in. Yum. Okay. And now we're going to put about, for now we're going to do like a tablespoon with our Parmesan cheese. I'm going to do like a tablespoon first. And then grab your little tablespoon measure. And we'll do a tablespoon. Perfect. And then at the end, we'll put some more. Because don't forget, you guys, there's salt in Parmesan cheese and in the soups. So we're going to do that. Turn that a little bit. Now we're going to add one ingredient that I didn't mention before, but it's going to be so delicious, which I totally forgot, you guys. I'm so sorry. I promise it's not the wig. It's not the reason why I forgot. I'm just kidding. 2 tablespoons of milk. You can use fat-free milk, full-fat milk. I don't care. Whatever milk you like. 1, 2. And all that's going to do is we will continue to have the richness of our soups, but it makes the actual sauce a little bit less thick. And that way we have more sauce when we add our pasta. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Smells good too. How easy is this, huh? So remember, if you're putting it in your crock pot in the morning, add the 2 cans of soup. I'm going to have it on my blog, on my website, www.stovetopyumyum.com, which you see right here on the screen. And I'm going to have the ingredients and the how-to if you're using a slow cooker, which normally I have as instructions on my website, my video, these episodes, so you can see how I made it, and I do have the ingredients written out. But in this case, I'm going to make a little note on how to add your ingredients if you're using a slow cooker. Guys, it smells so good in here. And if you don't like mushrooms or cream of mushroom, some people are thinking they don't like it, that's fine. Just use cream of chicken then, 2 cans. But it's so delicious how it's all like mixed in. Oh my God. It just makes it taste so much better, you guys. Alright guys. Here are my 2 utensils. So I'm going to cover my sauce for about 3 minutes. Keep in mind, we're constantly watching this. So, just so you know. And of course, if you make this in the slow cooker, it's going to take you less time. It'll take you, what, 9 minutes to cook the pasta, mix it in, shred the chicken, about 15 minutes. This will take you 20 to 30, so you have an additional, but sometimes we can't. So now, what I'm doing, my 2 forks, and we're just going to shred our chicken. Okay? So once I finish shredding my chicken, guys, I'm going to put my chicken in our sauce. I'm going to take the heat all the way down to low so we can just simmer it. We don't really need to cook it. I mean, the soup's already, come back here. The soup's already cooked. So you guys, our water will be boiling when we come back, you guys. Our pasta will be done in no time. And you guys, you don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Our pasta is al dente. Never cook your pasta for more than 9 minutes. So here it is. So I left my pasta in a little bit of what I call my pasta water. Before I drain my pasta, I'm going to grab probably about 2 tablespoons of my pasta water, and we're going to put it in our sauce. So yummy, you guys. Yum. Oh, we got a pasta in there. That's fine. Pasta. Here's our little pasta water. Okay, so right, you can grab your little tablespoon measuring. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pasta over to the sink for a second and I'm going to drain it. Sorry about that. I'm back. All right, let's pour our pasta in there. Oh my God. Look at that, you guys. Yum, triple yum. Oh my God, this smells so good, you guys. Perfect bite. So when I come back, I'll have my plate ready. We're going to taste. And this is one happy clown. I'll be right back, you guys. You don't want to... Hey, guys, I'm back and we are ready to taste. Oh my God, this is so easy and so delicious. Look at that. Look at that. Easy, delicious. Chicken with pasta, you guys. Doesn't get any easier than that. I mean, it was so quick to make. Look at the smoke on that. You see it? Well, we've got the... Here goes. You ready, guys? Here goes nothing, okay? This is really hot. God, I get so scared. Oh my God. Oh my God. It tastes like if you've been cooking it all day. Oh my God, so delicious. You taste that creaminess of the soups and the chicken comes out, the chicken flavor. And the mushroom and that sour note from the sour cream, which also makes it extra creamy. Then you have the saltiness of the Parmesan cheese and the fresh herb, which you all know. All of you that follow me know that I'm an herb girl, so you know that I love to put herbs on my food, is what I mean. So, but I need to try it again just to make sure. Props for Halloween. I love it. Here goes, guys. Here goes nothing, guys. Holy moly. Oh my God, it's hot. Oh my goodness. I can't believe that incredible pop that I just got from the sour cream. God. So remember, my friends, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, feel free to subscribe and don't forget the bell so that way you don't miss any episodes. And as always, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, you guys. Bye.